Yep, so we're gonna just go over the trade that I took today. So on the 4 hour time frame, we built structure to the upside from this high, while filling this imbalance right up in here. So once I seen that we built structure to the upside on the 4 hour time frame, pushed into this imbalance here, it was clear that market's direction was to the upside, that I could anticipate price going to the upside. Jumping over to the hourly now, we broke to the upside from this high, because obviously 8 AM candle is literally right here. So we broke to the upside from this high. Let me move that here. So now that I know the 4 hour and the hourly are aligning, I can definitely anticipate that price is literally going to the upside, as I've shown you guys before. So we have this low we marked out on the stream, we had this low we marked out as well. As you can notice as well, we get a sweep of this low right here with this wick and break above this high. So we literally have a 15-minute bullish order block right here. From here, jumped onto the 1 minute time frame. So what I wanted to see was, ultimately we had like the continuation model and then the reversal model playing out, but I did want to see the continuation model fail so I could take the reversal model, just because it had a lot more confluence, like the liquidity sweep. But we'll play it. So as you can see, we sweep down for this low. Another thing to note as well, on the 15-minute time frame, this is a break of structure. So once I seen price break here, it was gonna throw me off until like I had to remind myself we are in a 15-minute bullish order block. I just had one less confluence now, which is obviously the liquidity sweep. So hopping back over here, I marked out this high here, which I was waiting for a break of structure from, change it to red. So we break structure to the upside from here. Next thing I'm gonna wait for is an imbalance, which we have right up in here. It's kind of really thin, but grab it. There we go. So I'm waiting for price to just tap back into that imbalance. Next thing we've just found is a high, so I can draw equilibrium out from this low to this high right here. So I want to see price go down to 0.5, even better if we tap within the imbalance. So we'll tap the 0.5. It didn't tap this fair value gap on my broker or chart, but it tapped on other charts. So obviously you guys remember when price tapped into a fair value gap, it was like last month and I missed entry, but a lot of people took the trade. But that's what I've learned. That's why I took this trade. But we also had confidence because obviously we went below the 0.5 within discount. So bullish candle out, boom, there's my entry right here. Stop at the low. First take profit is literally going to be 15-minute highs. So you had 15-minute highs to the left. So I went all the way up here. I found this 15-minute high here, this 15-minute high right here, and we had another one right up here. So these are my take profits. Okay, okay, let's jump onto the 1 minute again. So as you guys know, I passed one of my funded accounts today, and I did say to the people on the stream that I was gonna add a take profit right here for myself, just because all I needed was literally a 1-to-1, and this was clearly just over it. So I closed my position out here, but everyone else, I told everyone else they had the chance to just ride it with the normal take profits up here. Well, obviously, even if they added a take profit here, this one is way too close to this one. So I said that you don't have to use this one, but I'm using this one. But we'll go ahead and delete it, and I'll go ahead and play the trade. But before I go and do that, remember the confluences. Market structure, 4 hour hourly align, points of interest, which is the order block, entry confirmations, which is the break of structure, equilibrium, fair value gap, equilibrium, and price tapping down into discount with a bullish candle above the 0.5. So I'll let the trade run. Boom, I got out around here for a 1-to-1, but take profit 1 ends up getting hit, 2 gets hit, and then I said to everyone to jump onto the 5-minute time frame, and if we don't get a reaction within here and price just nukes down, then trail your stop loss at this 5-minute low right down here, so we can watch it now on the 5-minute. So if they listened, boom, we got the reaction, so they're not trailing their stop loss yet. Still not yet, still not yet, still not yet. And we get really close to take profit 3, but we end up coming back down and just stopping us out right here. So yeah, that was a trade that we took today, live with the Discord, recorded as per usual. I need to start doing that from it's just funny. But yeah, that's ultimately like how we executed today. Again, like I said, this take profit was literally for me. I told everyone that it's not necessary, but you can add it if you want to. But ultimately, these were the main take profits that we had out when we were live trading. But yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. Hope you guys take it easy. Peace.